Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Madam Chi. I am your presenter and we have our host here. I'm Madam Chi. And what are you cooking today? I want to make Irish potato chips. So today we're making Irish potato chips. So this is what it looks like. I've got the Irish potato. So this is the cut Irish potato, all homemade. And I put my frying pan on fire. I want to add oil. This is the pan. So this is how Mom likes to fry her potato. We don't do deep fryers. We do the way it all started before deep fryer came into place. And then what are you going to do next with the potato, Mom? I like the hot water, the oil to hot. Okay. Hot to be, then I add the Irish potato. Okay. So now the oil is hot enough, and then we're just putting the chips in now. Did you put salt in the chips, Mom? Yes. So we put salt in the chips. Okay. That's the pre-cooked, and this is the chips boiling or simmering in the oil. So I start cutting my potato. So after that one, I add this. So she's just cutting some more potato, and this is how she cuts her potato. So she doesn't buy the already cut or already made potato. She buys the potato itself, and then she peels the skin and cuts them into chips. It's a lot of work, guys, but this is homemade. Still got all the nutrients in, not frozen, natural. Yeah. Because I will prepare tomato sauce. We're eating the Irish. I want to send the people. So this is the potato, still frying, and we've got the chili blended ready for the tomato sauce, and also we have the onion being chopped. We've got tomatoes, and here we have some more potato ready to go in when this one finishes. Now I want to cut the onions, the fresh tomatoes that I was using in making the tomato sauce. So do you have to cut the tomatoes then? Yes, I have to cut it. Okay. Does it matter how you cut the tomatoes, or you just have to cut it in it? No,
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter how you
Just
cut it. Okay.
whether you cut sandwich or cubes or triangle. Doesn't matter.
As you can see, the chips it's almost ready. We're just leaving it to be brown now.
So I'm removing the chips because it's already done.
Okay.
So this is ready. I want to add another fish more.
So there are more
Yes.
fresh chips going in the oil.
Yeah.
And this has to be done on a low heat, right?
Yes.
As you can see, it's not bubbling too much. It has to be cooked properly on a low heat. True Africanism. So this is the African way of making chips without a deep fryer. This is the chips. That looks really nice. This is all homemade, all handmade, real chips.
Potato is the Irish potato, the second part is ready. So I want to remove it so that I can start the sauce.
So this is the second batch of the fried chips or Irish potato.
So now I want to go for the sauce.
So because this oil is too much for the sauce,
Too much for the sauce.
so she's just reducing it somewhere. And you can still use it for something else as well. So for the sauce, what do you need for the sauce, Mom?
I need potato, onions, chopped onions, pepper, little pepper, and some fresh tomatoes.
So for the ingredients, you need your oil, you need your chopped onions, chopped tomato, and blended pepper. Or you could chop your pepper as well, you don't need to blend it.
Yes,
And then you need egg for the sauce as well.
yes, I will put eggs also.
And you need some eggs for the sauce. So the onions is going in
add
first.
add my tomato.
So this is the chopped tomato going in next. Then we have the pepper coming in.
I want to season it.
So for seasoning to add taste,
Yeah.
so she's just going to put
A little salt.
small salt for taste.
One cube of Maggi.
1 cube of Maggi. So now while we leave that to boil and for the water to dry, we're gonna go into the next stage, which is
The egg. So I want to break the egg and beat it and wait for the water on the sauce to dry before I add it.
so how many eggs you're putting depends on
How many people that are going to eat or the quantity of my sauce.
Then she's just putting small salt for taste in the egg as well. And she's just going to whisk the egg. Ooh, that looks nice. And we'll just leave that while we wait for the sauce to simmer. Look at that, guys. It smells really nice as well.
I need a little salt, so let me add a little salt. Sauce is ready now. Let me add the egg.
So the sauce, it's ready as she would like it to be. And as you can see, the egg has gone in as well. And this is what it's coming up to look like. So she's just turning it to prevent it burning underneath. Wow, look at that. Smells amazing. So the food is being dished out. And the sauce is ready. That looks so yum.